Today we're doing an unboxing of the Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub. I'll go ahead and open this up. So this is it. Ta-da, ta-da. It's a lot easier. But there we go. This just pulls out. Oh yeah. We have your Get Free in Garage Delivery with Amazon Key. Okay. There it is. It's got a nice LED light on it. I'll light it up in your garage. I already have a light, but that'll give you a little extra. Looks like this was manufactured in July of 2020. There's my Mac serial number and product ID so that you can, hack into it if you'd like to. Oh, kidding. What's in the box? So I'm just going to set this here so I know what's in here. I'm assuming this is the power supply. Okay. Awesome. What else? There's everything in there. Just got a little bracket. A thing. I'm assuming that's the transponder dealio. A warning sticker that's humongous. Child can be pinned under automatic garage door. Okay. Velcro and some screws for the installation. All right. That's pretty much it right there. That is what is in the box. Before you begin, you gotta have a router, a mobile device connected to the Wi-Fi network, has to be connected to the internet, and then a compatible garage door opener. All right, now let's install the app. Pull up your app store, type in MyQ, and then just go ahead and download that app. Obviously different if it's Android versus iPhone. And go ahead and open it. And I went ahead and said I allowed it to send me notifications. Just kind of click through here and click sign up. So you just go ahead and choose your country, put in your name, email, password, zip, all that good stuff. Alright, you'll get an email. You click on that, and then as soon as you do, you'll be able to sign in. Alright, we're going to set up the Smart Garage Hub. So I'll click on that. What you need. So just click each one of these things. And then say, I'm ready. And just plug the device up. So you're just going to plug the hub into power. And it's going to ask you to scan the serial number on the back of the device. Alright, then choose your network. Type in your password, obviously. And it'll add it to Wi-Fi. So now you're going to pull out the tab for the sensor. Just press the button. It's going to have a red light. Now it pairs. And once it does that, the light will flash. Unfortunately lost the video for this section, so I'm just voice over. Now we'll move on. Okay, so here we are at the garage door. I'm just going to clean this off. Just to make sure it's good and clean. I'll dry it off. Alright, so it's basically like double-sided tape, except it's Velcro so you can pull it off. There's also screw mounting holes, so you could take this apart and put the screws in. That won't work here. I'm going to do some more research just to see if there's something I can do if it's okay to mount it lower or not. I'm not sure. Clearly they had a reason for having it up high like that. So it's possible I could put it here even. But we'll check. We'll do this for now. So basically I'm taking off the strip. I'll put it on the top and bottom. Just kind of press firmly. My other one. Oop. That was by accident. I just clicked the button and it beeped at me. Okay, there it is. I'm going to remove the strips from the back of the Velcro. And then just place it up here. I'm going to block my serial number and whatnot right at that bar. That's going to be pretty solid though. Taking it off is not going to be easy. Once it's adhered. All right, that's good. So let's see what the next step is. All right, pair to motor. The next step will pair your smart garage hub to your garage door motor. We'll click next. Warning, these steps will cause your garage door to move. Always keep the path of the moving door clear of people and objects. Make sure your garage door is closed for the next steps. Next, grab a ladder to access your garage door motor and make sure your door path is clear. The door will move in the next steps. All right, here we go. Pressing the purple button. Going to click next. Now it's pairing. Opening. There we go. Awesome. Now it says, what should you name it? I'm just going to go with the default garage door because that makes sense to me. I don't have a second sensor. So I'm going to click next. Now it's time to install the hub. Grab your tools. You will need the tools below for the next steps. You got a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, 5/32 bit, 1.5 inch screws, wall anchors, mounting bracket, and safety glasses. Optional. I'm just going to let the dirt fall in my eyes because that's what I like to do, you know. Oh, all right. So let's go ahead and get started here. All right, find the location. Find a spot to mount your hub. This would be the ceiling, a sidewall or opposing wall to the garage door, at least 6 feet above the ground. Should be 5 feet within an AC outlet, which mine is. The light must be visible at all times from within the garage. It's recommended the hub should be located 4 feet from any metal objects. Use the bracket as a template. With a pencil, draw a mark for the location for drilling. All right. Then drill your 5/32 inch holes in each of the pencil markings. Place the wall anchors. Make sure they're flush with the surface. Screws, line the bracket holes up to the surface when screwing the screws. and then mount it. It's just going to slide across that metal bracket. So those are the steps that I'm going to go through. All right, first I need my bracket and my pencil. Using the bracket as a template, I'll mark my holes. Okay, I got my marks. Oh, what just happened? That wasn't good. That was the hub, you heard me. Well, hopefully that still works. Oh gosh, that can't be good. All right, I'm just gonna, I might not need to tamp it, but. Okay, you can just push it, I guess. 1.5 inch screws. Line that up. Come back over here. Now let's get the hub that I slung across here. Oh, goodness. There you go. Nice and snug. And we'll get the power cord. Plug that in. All right, that's going to power up. Let's see what next directions say here. Solid green light will turn on in a minute. Wrap the excess cord around the mounting bracket. Green light solid. Wrap the cord. There we go. Looks crappy though. I might unplug it and make it tighter. But that's good for now. And it says, device setup complete. Are you an Amazon Prime member? Have your Prime packages securely delivered inside your garage when you use Link MyQ to key. When you link MyQ to key in Amazon. Close that out. Okay, now it shows, when closing your garage door from the app, you will hear a series of loud beeps and see a flash of light. This is an alert to clear the path of the door. Okay, that might be frustrating. I've heard a lot of things about it. So now it shows closed for 14 minutes. So I'm going to hit the button. You click it, and you still have to click it again to open it. Guess I could show that part. Doggone it. Sorry about that. I'm kind of doing this as a one-man show here. Cool. All right. Click it again, close. There's the annoying beeping. Light. Sounds like a fire alarm. Really nice. That is annoying. Wow. Thanks for that. Okay, you can stop. Wow, that's really annoying. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, whew. Now that's only if you use the app to control it. You can set up notifications. I'll do that shortly. Notification name. Okay, here it is. Open, stopped, closed. When would you like to be notified of the above? Immediately or remind me? Push notification. You can have it set to email. So just whatever your preferences are. Every day. Save changes. So let's see. This is a push notification. So I'm going to open it. See if it sends me an alert. And I just got my alert. Cool. And now the annoying beeping begins. Close. Let's try it again. There we go. See the light? Goodness, that couldn't be more annoying. Wow. And it just continues afterwards. God. Okay, so that's it. And there's my alert that it was closed. Awesome. So, for what it's worth. All right, that's it. Okay, now I'm going to configure this to work with Home Assistant. Click on Configuration and then Integrations. And then we're just going to click on the plus button here. And then type in MyQ. And you're just going to put in your user ID and password that you set up on the MyQ app. Success. Just click Finish. And there we have it. Now, sometimes it takes a second before it'll actually show up here. But we'll go ahead and add it to a menu. So just click your menu, edit the dashboard. I called it a menu, sorry. Plus by entity, and then garage. Considers it as a cover. So shows you the nice history. I'll just add it to the Lovelace UI. This shows a pretty cool little icon. That icon is closed, and you have an arrow to open. And then once it's open, the icon changes and shows it open. See here in a second after it's finished opening. Alright, there's the icon showing it open. Now I can close it pressing the down arrow. And it just, the icon changes to whatever motion it's doing. There it is. So that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Post any comments, like, subscribe. Thanks.